Yes, this is an in-budget and mid-range Wi-Fi router that gives wireless speed up to 1200 Mbps. And this Wi-Fi router works on MIMO technology. That means multi-user, multi-input and multi-output. So you can use multiple devices with this router, as in इसमें 4 LAN ports हैं और इसमें 1.2 GHz की central processing unit है. Well, this is really great at this price range. This is TP-Link AC 1200 Wi-Fi router और इसका मॉडल नंबर Archer C64 है. ये एक dual band router है, so it has one band of 5 GHz that gives you 867 Mbps of speed and second band is of 2.4 GHz that gives you 400 Mbps of speed. इसमें advanced security feature है with WPA3. This Wi-Fi works on MIMO technology, which means multi-user, multi-input and multi-outputs. So you can use multiple devices with this router, वो भी multiple lines पर at a faster speed. और इसको setup करना भी काफी आसान है. So inside the box, you will get one router with an adapter, one Ethernet cable and a user manual. Archer C64 is covering the broader range with beamform technology. With its 4 external omnidirectional antennas, it creates a strong, clear and dependable Wi-Fi throughout your home and your office. Beamforming detects the location of your connected devices and concentrates the Archer C64 signals towards them to optimize wireless connections. It delivers 10 times faster than wired connections, as its full gigabit Ethernet ports deliver speed up to 10 times faster than standard Ethernet connections. So just plug into your PCs, smart TVs and game consoles for fast and reliable connections. Here you got gigabit WAN port that connects to the internet, 4 gigabit LAN ports that help wired devices reach their best performance, and here is the WPS and a reset button. So these were the overall specifications and features about the product. Now let us see how you can connect it and install it. Well, you can use the TP-Link Tether mobile app to access basic wireless and security settings, enable or disable parental controls, run basic diagnostics and configure guest networking. But you will have to use the web portal to access advanced settings. We connected the router to our modem and to our desktop PC. Then we powered it up and typed in our browser's address bar, which takes us to the quick setup screen. The web portal opens to a network map that displays the number of wired and wireless clients and your internet status. Up top are quick settings, basic and advanced tabs, and on the left side there is a setting menu. The basic menu includes internet, wireless, parental control, guest network and TP-Link cloud settings. Parental controls let you create profile for family members where you can block access to certain sites using keywords, set internet time limits and view all visited sites. The TP-Link cloud lets you manage your network and clients' devices from anywhere via the internet. The guest networking lets you create a separate network with separate SSIDs and separate passwords for your guests, as well as quality of service, security, net forwarding, and IPv6. The Archer C64 offers system tools that let you update firmware, backup, and restore system settings, schedule automatic reboots, and view system logs. It also lets you switch between router mode, where the device serves as your main router, and access point mode, where it will act as an extender to an existing network. Well, this is it for this video. We'll see you soon in a very new video with some more products reviews like this. Well, the link of the same TP Archer C64 router is available in the description box below. So, whenever you like to check out one for yourself, you can follow that link. This is Divya from Tegonity Studio. We'll see you soon in a very new video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.